Hey there. Uh, I just want to say that I have put in some effort in updating Scary and Fun's website to a new format. This right now is actually the old format. This followed a logo update, but is basically still the same as the 2015 update, which was more or less required by Google to make the site to be mobile friendly. However, this actually is no longer mobile friendly. Here, if you looked on your phone, it would just look very narrow at this point and very jumbled. So this now I've already uploaded it, but this is the new site, and it's more simplified. Right now I'm blocking all the ads, but there's actually a lot less ads than there are in the original site. So if you actually looked on your phone or on Chrome, right now it's on Firefox, which I set to block all ads, but it's actually a lot more ad free. There are some ads, but not too many, so I think that will make it more friendly. It's also mobile friendly. It's not scaled to the maximum size for mobile phones, but it's at least far better than the 2015 update. But it's a completely remade page. So the originally in 2008, Scary and Fun was made with a front page editor that was within Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word. So this front page editor actually created a lot of unnecessary fields when I originally structured the table for this. So that's kind of that was okay at the time, but now we don't even need a table anymore. This is a invisible table. So here, it's a completely remade page. So if you look here, I'll get into that later, but one of the main differences, besides the scaling of the site and besides the fact that there's no more table on the side, is that we're simply going to use hover buttons to navigate. So here are the social media buttons that we have currently. So we have YouTube, and then we have TikTok. Of course, it wants me to sign in, and same with X. It'll ask me to sign in. The X one is still fairly new. We don't have many followers on there. Okay, so this stayed. So now I've reorganized. This part took me a while, but I reorganized the the links into buttons and different pages. Now I didn't change every single subpage, as I'll show you, but they're a lot more efficient and easier to navigate. So you got, with less ads and easier navigation, it makes it a lot more user-friendly than this thing. Okay, so privacy. I put the contributors here, right on the bottom, right below the created by. I will, the more you contribute, the more I will put your names here. So please make sure to contribute. Okay, and then we have, okay, so if we went to animated GIFs, these are just some of the newer ones I made, plus some of the originals. So now what it's going to do with what's up here, it's going to open a new tab. So these are just some of the older ones. Now the structure of these pages I haven't upgraded yet. They're still in, still have an older format to it. It's just, it will take a lot of time to upgrade the format on some of these. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that is, now everything that's here, like absolutely everything, is now in here. Okay, so scary pictures. Some of these need to still have more updates to them. So I didn't change every subpage yet, but I will get there. Okay, yeah, these are still fairly old. Some need more enhancements than others, but it's at least more organized and easy to navigate. So that part is taken care of. Okay, and then we'll go to the scary sounds. This is a new page, and actually I'm going to add a couple more. But this is the same. This is still a similar format. If you ever did want to download scary sounds, you could just click on some of these. It's just a bunch of links to sounds. These are all scary sounds that anyone can download and reuse. Please feel free. Okay. That does need some navigation in there though, so I am gonna fix this page up next, likely. Creepypastas. These, some of these are a bit aged, but these are just some of the older pages that I threw in here. But this section still needs work, just because I need to add more content to here. But some of these are not necessarily creepypastas, but they were just kind of miscellaneous scary things and weird things I had before. But yeah, no, this section needs to be updated. So okay, and then these are the new jump scare pages that you can download jump scares. And these are still here. And this page is in an old format, but it's at least, again, easy to find some of these videos. So it's at least navigating better than before. Okay. Then this section also needs to be updated with more games. Right now I just have a few videos of some of the scary games. Flash is no longer allowed by, it no longer exists. So I'll decide what's the best format to put these in soon. But yeah, no, this section definitely needs okay, and then again, you hit home and it goes right back. So I'd like to just thank everyone that has participated in helping me make new jump scare videos and other horror videos like Gen Z traumas or backrooms, creepypastas. So thank you all, and please visit the website when you get a chance. I will continue to work on this and make it more complete, but right now it's got pretty nice navigation for whether using a computer or a mobile phone. Enjoy!